And that, my kids, is how I met your father. Imagine, here is where I failed all my classes, guys.
I remember
This is where I got all my backlogs. This is where Pratham and I first kissed.
AT-KT लगा दी.
बस कर दे. Guys, can you guess where I am? I'm back at college. They saw my story time and they were like, yeah, we need you back. We didn't know what we had. And I'm back. And now, let me give them a gift. The Pianchi Mera was here. Subscribe.
Yo, अंदर.
Yeah.
Sahil used to live there.
That's his house there.
Yeah. Saurabh Construction.
Okay, I need to see if this bhaiya remembers that he used to give me extra butter or not. Let's see if he smiles, okay? Oh, hold this but be nonchalant, okay? याद है? Yes! और extra butter डाल के
कैसे हो भैया?
and cheese Maggie. We used to do this all the time after gym.
And like, look, we would only have Maggie when we were like, आज तो gym में crazy workout.
That is 90% of the times, bro. We used to eat. Okay, let me advertise.
at the gym, yaar.
That's true. Let me shout out my bros. Like the best dosa in town. If you amazing. It's right. It's in Simbi Junction. Anybody would know. Or if you here, you go there and have dosa. Here you order Szechuan cheese Maggie. Amazing. Go. Yeah. You met somebody or what? Oh my God. भैया याद है हम आपको? Asking about Elena. He got us our first house in Pune. Our broker.
ऐसे घूमने.
नहीं हम पियो.
Let's change here.
Crazy. Seating arrangement also now we have.
Butter take extra.
I knew he would put extra butter, bro. The people that know me know how much I like my butter. First bite.
It slaps.
Hot?
Yeah. You wanna have?
One bite only. With masala, without?
With butter? With butter?
Yeah, with butter. Yeah. What, Pratham?
Eat Maggie with spoon.
Yeah, because they never had. They had like 1 or 2 forks, but it still slaps. Hot.
Same, like we had it twice a day.
Give your reaction again.
I can't, but it's good. It's good. Yeah. There used to be a place called Rastasi here, जहाँ पे बहुत मैगी खाते थे रात को आके. अब क्या खुल गया है? Cafe and snacks.
Home cafe and stuff.
बंद लग रहा है. We used to walk this walk every single day. Like literally every day would be like, our house was there and then we'd walk. With Pratham next to me. And that's the forbidden building, my college.
Oh yeah, go to my hostel.
Go to your hostel and what? Do what?
Taking out a crown to go to your hostel.
This was Pratham's hostel. That building right there. रात के 10:30 बजे का कर्फ्यू याद है बेटा? अब कोई कर्फ्यू नहीं है.
Both of us came with our Paridhi.
Yeah.
We need an ID card to enter.
Yeah.
Paridhi sort of us.
It's our canteen right there. Like there. I don't know if you all remember when I was saying that I was crying at the steps. You'll see the steps. They're there. I'll show you later. Forbidden place. Never again. BT. Crazy. Bro, we would sit there. I would wait for this is where we would sit like these 2 benches. Please. And no, when Pratham and I we didn't start dating, I would wait for him and to just act nonchalant, I would keep my bag.
Bro, I'll tell you the first time I ever saw Pianchi was here only.
Yeah.
I was sitting here.
Yeah.
Fish was there, Pratham and Pianchi. Bro, she had like these big ass orange fucking nails, hair color. And I was like, who is this bitch? Why did she come to college like this? Is she going for a fashion show? Then she ended up hosting the first SSC fashion show.
They end up hosting the first SSC fashion show. Imagine, here is where I failed all my classes, guys.
I remember
This is where I got all my backlogs. I don't know if you all remember in my last story time I said मुझे 80 KT मिली थी. I was sitting on that bench and Paidi was sitting there.
When the room wasn't empty also, you just sit on the side.
Paidi is our ID card, honestly.
I can't believe I'm here again.
Yeah. Bro, kids are giving their vivas. So sad. It's a multi-purpose hall. AC चल रहा है यहाँ पे?
Right, this place, getting to your seat had the most negative aura. You know?
Yeah, you would have to literally put your ass in somebody's face to get into your seat. Yeah, literally. उधर बैठ गए मतलब उसके बाद उठ नहीं सकते.
उठ नहीं सकते.
फिर जब
एक बार याद है हमने प्रिया को बीच में पूरा
एरिया
छोड़ दिया था.
Yeah.
I have that video also with that.
Oh my God, C is equal to
But the
4Q square plus 9.
In this vlog, like put like edits of our
I
videos
will. I'll put the.
from that time. We have so many.
When I entered class, I saw this boy and I was like, okay, put this. I'll act. Light on करे तो पहचान मेरे से इतना backlog का पैसा लिया तुम light on नहीं कर सकते. I'll show you. Okay, I enter class and I see Pratham, and I have to act nonchalant.
Obviously.
Okay, wait.
Priorities.
You have to imagine there's a teacher here. Okay?
Yeah, I'm
And
teacher.
It's full. With
I am teacher. What time is it?
Mom.
Exactly your reaction. She would walk away.
Oh my. That's C.
No, no, no.
Someone's there.
भाई इसके जूता मार.
Someone's there. Okay.
Real life.
Okay. I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm okay.
I fell right in.
Yeah. Oh, hi. How are you? Subject ka exam also 2 times. Like I had to. If I had just given one exam, they wouldn't be one. The E would fall out of the SSC. If I didn't write 5,000 exams. Almost there, I was caught cheating. Then I went down. Yeah. No. I was here. I went down these stairs crying. Okay. I was crying. And I go here. There's the staff room. Okay, I'll show you it. This is where I went crying, and this is where they made me sign that document.
सरप्राइज क्यों ही हो या आप लिख रही हो?
बच्चे बहुत सरप्राइज हुए होंगे. हमारी लिस्ट ऑफ हॉलीडेज में 1 जनवरी छुट्टी
बच्चों को भी नहीं दी.
किसी को नहीं.
बच्चे तो आए नहीं होंगे ना, हर टीचर्स को जाना पड़ता है.
ठीक है, that's fact.
हम कौन से आते हैं?
रिक्वायरमेंट आती है. टेक मिनिमम मंथ टू गेट योर माइग्रेशन.
एक्चुअली मेरे को भी करना है, मैंने भी नहीं लिया, ये साथ में कर लेंगे.
तो फिर यहाँ आके लेना पड़ेगा ना.
नहीं
सर को मेल
हाँ मैं डाल दूंगी.
40 इन द प्रोसेस.
फाइनली मुझे मिलेगा तो सही. कुछ तो मुझे टाइम से मिलेगा.
कोई टाइम से नहीं है, वो टाइम के बाद ही है.
हाँ बाई ये तो डिग्री के टाइम के बाद.
That's true. कुछ मिल गया.
आई नहीं है ना रेगुलर.
हाँ.
मिल जाता है.
हाँ देखो बट
तुमको याद है?
सेकंड ईयर में तो रेगुलर हो गई थी, पर उसके बाद जो 80 केटी लगा दी.
बस कर दे. मैंने वो
पता है उसने क्या किया है.
मैम को पता है मैं रेगुलर नहीं आती थी. एक बार जब फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर में आपको मुझे कॉल आया था, मैं शॉपिंग कर रही थी दिल्ली में. अब मैं बेटा आप अपने एग्जाम नहीं लिख रहे. मैंने कहा मैम एग्जाम कब थे?
अच्छा मतलब यानी यू शुड थैंक द कॉलेज.
पहले थोड़ा था, मेरी हालत टाइम हो गई.
बट अभी तो लाइक
आपको अब बताती हूँ. असलियत में मुझे चीटिंग करते नहीं पकड़ा था. मेरी चिट नीचे गिरी हुई थी और मैं ही थी सिर्फ.
जरूरत नहीं थी उस चीट.
आई वॉज द ओनली वन इन द क्लास. तो मैं कैसे बोलती किसी और की. उन्होंने मैच कर लिए थे. आप ये चलो, आप चलो यहाँ से. उन्होंने भी लास्ट के पेपर में मुझे बोलता बेटा अभी लास्ट रहने देना. इसके बाद दोबारा मत आना. ये पेपर लिखा है. थैंक्स मैम.
अब डन.
एसएससी
खत्म.
दिस इज फर्स्ट टाइम गुड मेमोरीज फ्रॉम एसएससी. कुछ नहीं बचा मेरा एसएससी से.
या सब ले लिया मैंने. टेल यू होल्ड दिस. आई फकिंग
Chit was here.
या द चिट वाज
Comp lab.
No.
कॉम्प्लैप तो इज इजियर टू हाइड.
Yeah, that's what I'll tell you. I don't like this. I was sitting here, exactly here. Or this is my worst memory. And I'm writing, okay? Like, imagine this is the chit. The chit is here.
भाई तो
And
फिर
I'm
तो
writing. I didn't see anything. It was all folded, nothing open. I'm writing. And then suddenly one hand comes. I'm like, Mami, mera nahi hai. But it's literally, it's like, it was mine. And then out. This is my first time leaving this college with no
My
backlogs.
education is graduation.
Yeah. Education is graduation. Yo. Bye. Canteen. The first time I'm leaving this place with a smile. Yeah. लो. This place, Ravi Pan Shop. This is where all of us used to hang out. Ravi Pan Shop. Wait, where's Ravi Bhaiya? He's here. कैसे हो भैया? To take so many videos here. Come, let's go. That place you guys see, open window cake. प्रथम की पूरी हर रात उसको ओपन विंडो केक जाना होता था, प्रथम और एलिना को. For vlog purpose, I might go to my house. I might, but somebody already lives there. To come here, Shell Select, वो पूरी रोड टाप के, whenever we were drunk, we would come to this place to get snacks.
Yeah, it's monkey.
Merry Christmas. And one good thing about the Shell is that they hire like deaf and dumb people, so they made friends with Pratham also. Actually, I'm not kidding. This, guys, is where we used to live. You all remember I told you I had an anxiety attack? हम इस सड़क पे भाग रहे थे मैं और प्रथम रात के 2 बजे. That on top, that's where we used to live. प्रथम used to park his scooter here. Okay, let's not go on top. मेरी इतनी सीढ़ियाँ चढ़ने का मन नहीं है.
ओह, जब हमने बोला था तब
इस घर में क्या क्या नहीं हुआ. जयंती अपार्टमेंट.
What is this left hand? What is this road called? Your Shraddha Road?
Law College Road.
No, this is Law
Deccan
College.
Gymkhana Road.
This
This is also called Deccan Gymkhana Road. नहीं नहीं, यहाँ से हमें यहाँ रुकना है.
इधर ही रुकना है भैया. हाँ हाँ, इधर लेफ्ट साइड पे.
मेरा आगे था.
अरे यहाँ पे मेरा था ना, तो हम लोग के ये this is the Tian I was. This come walk Vaidi. This is where this is my third place.
Yeah.
पहले तो वो कहीं और था that you guys can't see.
विमान
Nagaर. उसके बाद I moved to the hostel. I got kicked out. And this is the place that I found. This is where Pratham and I first kissed.
शारदा.
Shraddha, this is where I used to live. This is my crib. We outside, how about that? Yeah. And I remember once Pratham, you were sick, okay, and that time you like we weren't together, but I knew something was there. अब वो बीमार था और मेरे लिए नोट्स लेके आया था और बिकॉज मैं उसको ऊपर नहीं बुलाना चाहती थी because I wanted to be nonchalant, so you were sitting here for hours. I don't know if you We're going to Paridhi's house. हाँ बड़ा है भाई, बहुत आगे तक है. We used to always cross this house. I used to think कि यहाँ से वहाँ से राइट लेना है. And we're going to Paridhi's house. It was called Nivara. It is called Nivara. And इतनी पढ़ाई की है मैंने वहाँ पे. मैंने नहीं, मतलब हम सब ने. Like we associated that house with पढ़ाई, you know.
मैं बदनाम मत करो यार.
No, like good way, bro. कि साफ सुथरा था, पढ़ सकते थे. मेरा फ्लैट बिल्कुल साफ नहीं था.
और मेरा फ्लैट बहुत अच्छा था.
परिधि के फ्लैट पे ये she actually lived like how my mom would live in another city. She would have खड़े मसाले. She would have गरम मसाला, ये पूरी छन्नी और वो सब. अब this is very like uncommon for a bachelor pad, okay? You all would think ये तो सबके घर में होता है. सबके घर में नहीं होता लक्ष्मण. मेरे और प्रथम के घर में तो एसी भी नहीं था. एक बार मैंने एसी चलाया, सॉकेट ऐसा सॉकेट फूटा, मेरा लैपटॉप फट गया था भाई. like my laptop got fucked like because of the short circuit.
भाई जब तेरा शॉर्ट सर्किट हुआ था तो तू
तेरे घर आके रहे थे. आई रिमेम्बर. अनदर थिंग इज दैट यहाँ पे जब लाइट जाती थी ना, यहाँ पे इन्वर्टर नहीं है, तो मतलब गई. फिर कब आएगी तब देखा जाए. दिस वाज Paridhi's house. They've converted it into a property. Relicon Builders. ना मैं अपने बैकलॉग देने अलग से पुणे आई थी और परिधि घर में मेड होती थी, तो परिधि वाला स्टे एट माय प्लेस.
प्लीज आई एम पेइंग योर मनी एनीवे. तो माय
या तो आई स्टेड एंड बेसिकली मैं आई में 2:30-3 बजे रात को लैंड होना था, तो भी
जा सकते हैं ऊपर अगर
बिल्डिंग बन गया. आई थिंक दे मस्ट हैव चेंज्ड इट.
थोड़ा सा तो दिख
अच्छा चल आजा.
यहाँ तो लिफ्ट भी है, देख चढ़ना नहीं पड़ेगा.
और उसके बाद फिर मैंने इसकी मेड को बोला था कि मेरे लिए वो रख जाना चाबी. वो भूल गई. फिर रात के 2 बजे मैंने उसी को बुलाया कि भाई प्लीज मेरी चाबी.
This is not my house.
This is not Paridhi's car.
But I'm hoping अंदर तो इतना ही चेंज किया होगा.
Oh, this is not Nivara. They've changed it completely, Paridhi. Oh no.
That balcony is the same, see? The right side.
वो तो भाई विंडोज थोड़ी चेंज कर रही है. कि शुड वी आस्क देम?
No.
Ask.
Just trying to find this place. This used to be my
Oh my, I can't. They've changed the whole thing.
This used to be like the lobby.
Kitchen, I remember.
Oh, that house was so pretty though.
Must have paid a lot of money.
That's my kitchen.
Balcony, not kitchen.
No, that used to be my kitchen.
Are you mad? Kitchen was this side, Paridhi. How come you're forgetting your own house?
That balcony.
That was your room's balcony.
Wait. I nahi. Listen.
You used to enter
I
straight
entered
like
from
this.
here.
And
Oh
that's
yeah,
it.
that is.
You
That's
forgot?
my balcony.
You forgot your own house, bro. Okay, come, let's go there. We're freaking people out. Thank you. भैया वो आपको वहाँ पे
Murphy's भी था यहाँ पे. Murphy's ने और एकता बहुत आए. तुम नहीं.
This is Irani Cafe. I don't know if you remember, but I said that once when the cops scammed me in that story time, तो मैं और एलिना यहाँ आए थे प्रथम से मिलने. And Pratham said, whenever you don't go with me, that's when you get scammed. And now, guys, the main part. You remember that story time with Pratham where he proposed to me, not proposed, like whatever happened, the confession, it happened on this road. And I'll enact it for you. This is also the house जिसमें हमें निकाल दिया था एलिना के बर्थडे के बाद.
Oh, I remember that red post office. That's where I used to.
Yeah, post office. And that movie Andhadhun, that was shot here, Saraswati Niwas में, हमारे घर के opposite.
Oh, Pianchi, look what they've done with Nachiket.
That used to be like.
Paridhi, they've revamped Nachiket.
Yeah, they renovated it completely.
What the hell? How could they do that when I'm not here?
Doesn't even look like Nachiket anymore.
It was black, no?
Yeah, it was dirty.
Dirty as hell.
This
It
was
was.
your room.
This one?
Yeah.
नहीं, मैं second floor पे थी भाई.
That one.
Yeah, that
was
one.
your room.
That one was my room.
Started here and you don't even remember.
That one was my room. And that's where Pratham
First
came.
floor पे नहीं था.
Second floor. Yeah. And that's where his...
इसके कुछ भरोसा नहीं है.
This is where Andhadhun was shot, Saraswati Niwas. And now I will enact Pratham and I. Wait.
You have to come from there, no?
Yeah, Pratham has to come from there.
0.5.
ठीक है. Now imagine कि मैं इस घर से आ रही हूँ. I just got a message that come down, I'm coming. And you come running from that side, okay?
Yes.
And I came from here. Finally, take me also. I come from here. Oh, hey. Finally. I'm back. Boom. And that was it. And that, my kids, is how I met your father. And he met your mother. क्या टाइम हो रहा है अभी? It's 3:45 भाई. पर has to leave in an hour. आराम से खा के सब हो जाएगा. This is a really nice restaurant here. If you come, you should go here. It's called Le Plaisir. Yeah, Le Plaisir. One truffle mushroom pizza and one parmesan cream spaghetti noodles.
And one iced tea lime.
Just parmesan cream.
Amazon cream sauce pasta.
मैं मुझको पता है इससे बार-बार वही लग रही थी यार. ये भी था.
Pass out, wake up, go to the gym.
So much to take in so little time. और कितना पिज़्ज़ा है हमने. I love orgasmic. मैं तो वो भी तो जाती ही नहीं थी यार.
Which one did you use to put
This
yours?
one. Both. We used to put both. We used to send everything, Pratham. We never thought of.
Which one, the pizza? Yeah, but this clears.
Oh, easy. Boom. I am back and it's around 9:30, 9:25 right now. And last you, I think, saw when we were in La Plaisir and Paridhi left. She's, I think, probably in Delhi now. Pratham and I had decided to stay another day because obviously we wanted to spend some time together also. I haven't seen him in a while. And when I'm with my friends and I'm like, we're all hanging out, and then that time Pratham and I are also there, it feels like we're just like, you know, a big ass group of friends, but forget that. We're a couple. Anyway, so I'm taking you all with me to a place called Swig, and they have a sushi joint within that area called Kinky. And when I tell you, I have had enough sushi in my life. You all know it's my favorite thing ever. I never expected that I would say that the best sushi in my life is what I found in Pune. It's amazing. Like, if you want to take my food recommendations, take it from this video. It's basically, it's so good that we have dinner included, okay? Like, we had dinner included yesterday and tonight but we're still going to Kinky. So let's go.
Easy for one day without.
Yeah. Nice.
I'm gonna cut it with a fork and then I'll.
I dropped it. So flavorful. It's the next day and we're running late, so we're just gonna quickly go to. One second, it's too heavy. We're gonna quickly go to FC Road. If you're from Pune, then you know. But if you're not from Pune, then also you probably know. It's quite famous. You took the key, no?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. We also have a flight in 5 hours, so this will probably be
5 hours? Oh yeah.
Yeah.
4, 5.
5 only. Yeah, so what I was saying is we're going to this cafe called Top in town in FC Road. We used to go to this other place called Yorkshire, जो कि बहुत अच्छी थी, but I think we were their only customers, so they shut it. So now,
They had good food.
yeah. There's also another cafe on Law College Road called
Come this side,
called Blockbuster Cafe. I really like it, but Pratham doesn't, so we're now
You
going.
have to emphasize the block.
Blockbuster Cafe. And we're staying here, by the way. Crown Plaza. Look at the road's name. And Garden.
Fun garden, yeah.
We'll enter from that side.
Green color thing is the green.
Yeah.
It's called Desi Appetite.
You see appetite. Oh, nice paratha. Very light. This is the lane right next to what is that place? Some natural ice cream. You just take a left. You can get chaap here and you can get like a lot of other stuff also there. The thing is that we like no fancy places also, but this was our survival guide. That's what I'm showing you. See, this is the chaap place. चले But the dosa slaps harder than my mom's chappal, bro.
Time we can't fuck around at all. और इस टाइम हमारे पास कोई जल्दी नहीं, हम अच्छा घर नहीं ले रहे अपने वाली.